Before the opening bell, U.S. futures, they are back on the downside after rebounding slightly yesterday. Market sentiment yesterday was boosted by President Joe Biden's comments that there is no need for lockdowns amid the finding of a new Omicron coronavirus variant, but Moderna chief Stéphane Bancel predicted this morning in a Financial Times interview that existing vaccines will struggle with Omicron. This all as 68% of S&P 500 constituents traded higher or unchanged the previous session. Taking a look now at after-hours action, Meta Platforms' Facebook parent announcing that it will be postponing its ticker symbol change until the first quarter of 2022. Separately, the UK's CMA required Facebook, which has recently renamed itself Meta, to sell Giphy after finding that the deal could harm social media users and UK advertisers. Moving on, shares of Dollar Tree downgraded to neutral from buy over at Goldman Sachs, and at the same time, Beyond Meat in the headlines rated reduce in a new coverage over at HSBC. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results due out for Salesforce.com, and on the economic docket, it's busy before the opening bell. We have the Red Book, and then we have the Housing Price Index, the S&P Case-Shiller Housing Price figures, and then we also have Chicago PMI figures and consumer confidence after the opening bell, followed by a testimony from Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Taking a look now at the markets, the S&P 500, that's where we begin. That's trading under pressure. The Nasdaq, meanwhile, sees a consolidation in place, this while the Dow Jones, that's what's in focus this morning. Its target is at 34,150. The relative strength index shows downside momentum, so short positions below 34,875 are favored, with targets at 34,400 and 34,150 an extension.